Hello everyone, in this video I will be building a gaming PC using new components, which I have never done before. I have spent the last few months gathering these parts and buying them at the right time. The only thing that will not change is my case and fans. Now that I was able to gather all the parts, I wanted to share my build. I am hoping to use this PC for both gaming and to edit my photos and videos. This video will contain a small montage along with benchmarks from various games. Based on the benchmarking I have done, I believe this computer is a great system for gaming at 1440p at 16 frames per second using high settings. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.